You're trying to eat the bird seeds? Look at your ear. It's got a crack in it. That's not for you. It's not for you. You're not backing down, huh? You're not backing down? Look at your ear. It's pretty rough. Look at that ear. Are you gonna fight me for that? I think she wants to fight me for this bird seeds. No, what's she gonna do? What is she gonna do? Think she's leaving? Are you leaving? You better go. You better go. Leave my stuff alone. Leave my stuff alone. You need to go. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? What are you doing?